Hello Miri learners, welcome to this new video. I'm Miriam and today we are going to see the difference of there is and there are. Let's start. So now I'm going to explain you. There is, we are going to use it for singular and uncountable nouns. There are for plural nouns. Let's see some examples in affirmative. And let's see how we build the sentence. We are going to write there is or there are plus the complements. Example, there is a new student in this room. Or we can use the short form. There's a new student in this room. There is has a short form, whereas there are, this one hasn't a short form. There are trousers in the shop. In negative, we are going to say there is or there is not or there are not plus complements or the short form. There isn't or there aren't plus the complements. I give you two examples. There isn't a new student in this room. There aren't trousers in the shop. In questions, we start with is or are there plus complements. Example, in singular, is there a new student in this room? We are going to answer with yes, there is, or in negative, no, there isn't. And in plural, are there trousers in this shop? Yes, there are, no, there aren't. Here I'm going to give you two exercises. First, you have to write there is or there are in each sentence. And then you have to write questions to these sentences. How are you going to write these questions? As it appears here. Is there or are there plus complements. The exercise begins in the first sentence and ends in the 18. I'll give you the answers in the next video. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.